Hi everyone and welcome back to Ellie Potts Bespoke YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I've made these little pumpkins. These are going to be perfect for embellishing hair bows, clips, decorations, anything you want to use it for. So here's what you're going to need to make these. Now I'm not into needle felting or wool felting, so I have bought these 20mm or 2cm wool felt pom-poms or balls. I bought 10 of them. They are from a website called Paper and String, and I'll put the link to that in the description. They haven't paid for this promotion. I've literally just got them through the post and have made it, so I thought I'd share it with you. So next up, I've got these little beads, green beads for the top. These were actually in my daughter's bead box. She is into bead making, making friendship bracelets with her friends at the minute, so I just thought I'd pinch some of those. Then we've got some orange embroidery thread. This is actually from my daughter's friendship bracelet making kit. I've got quite a thick needle with a big hole in the end, perfect for threading the embroidery thread through, and a pair of scissors. So first of all, what we're going to do is get one of the felt balls and thread through there. Now I'm leaving it attached to the actual spool because I'm not sure how much I'm going to use. So I'm just going to thread that through there like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to squash the balls slightly like this. And then just push it through the ball, but try and make sure it's kind of central. And then just pull it through so far, like that. Then we're just going to hold in this one on the bottom there secure so it doesn't pull through while you're doing it. We're just going to wrap it around one side and then try and stitch it through the same hole from the bottom to the top, and then pull it really tight. Then do the same, going the opposite way. Again, trying to get it through the same hole at the top, or as close to it as you can get. And again, pull it tight. And then we do the same thing over on the other side. Now it might get tough to actually poke this through at some point, so you might need some help pulling the needle through. But it should eventually just pull through. And then making sure it is in the right position. Again, just pull that tight. And you probably guessed, we're going to do it again on the opposite side. So we've essentially made a cross. You might want to get some pliers to help pull this through. These are just some old scissors I have, so I'm just going to use the scissors to pull it through. And again, making sure it's exactly where you want it to be. And pull it tight. So you've got sort of a little parcel there. And the tighter you pull it, the more squashed it gets, and it makes those pumpkin shaped ridges in it. And then again, you're going to do it in the other 4 spaces. So there we are, we have the pumpkin that has been threaded. You see that there? And now what we're going to do is we're going to take one of the beads. You don't have to use beads. You can make a felt leaf or stem. I'm just going to use beads. So we just threaded a bead onto there, and then for the last time I'm just going to push that through there. And pull that through. And then before we pull that tight or tie it off, we just need to manipulate that bead so it sits the way you want it to. Now you can either have it standing up on end like this, to make the top of the pumpkin, or you can have it flat depending on the shape of your bead too. Have it flat. So when that's in the position you want it, make sure it's pulled nice and tight, and then we're just literally going to tie. Just cut this bit off. I'm just going to tie the bottom of that off in a couple of knots and then snip off the excess like that. And then we have another pumpkin. Now I have seen people do these with bigger felt balls. They can get quite pricey. If you can make them yourself, that's absolutely fantastic. I think these were 20 pence each. I'm not sure what that is in dollars, might be about 50 cents, something like that. But that is per ball, so they do work out quite expensive. You can use regular pom-poms if you like, but I find these wool felt ones are better. They're sturdier, they hold the shape better. And beads, you can get any beads you like. Also with the colour of the thread, I think these would look really, really good with gold thread. You could also do it with green thread. You could do different coloured pumpkins, whatever suits you. So here is a little close-up of those pumpkins. This is what they look like. I'm actually going to use these to stick to some hair bows, and I might do some grips as well, maybe a little pumpkin headband. And these are the felt balls, and the beads. The wool felt does leave bits of wool everywhere, but that's fine. So yeah, cute little autumn pumpkins, perfect for Halloween, perfect for embellishing things, and a gorgeous little project. You could do this with kids. You can get darning needles and do this with the kids too. My daughter's going to love it when I show her them. So yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Pop in the comments if you're going to give it a try, if you think it was cute, what you would use them for. If you're on Facebook, I do have a group, Ellie Pops Bespoke YouTube. I'll pop a link to that in the description too. Happy crafting, happy Halloween, happy autumn, happy fall, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.